Attention, studies, attention. Wisdom is not a product of education. News is a way to know about the current affairs of our country and about the world too. It broadens our perspective and knowledge continuously. I welcome Bhavesh to read today's news. Good morning to all of you. My name is Bhavesh Kari. I study in class 4th. I am present here for news. A paper publication the night before they distribute in the morning as opening to an evening paper. Thank you. Have a nice day. Learning never stops and knowledge never ends. So to make us learn new knowledge, here comes he wants to present GK questions. Good morning to all of you. I Yuvan Stevatia from class 4. Today I am present here to ask some GK questions. So my first question is, what is Indian national song? Right answer is Vande Mataram. My question number 2. Who was the first female Prime Minister of India? Indira Gandhi. Right answer is Indira Gandhi. My third question is, what is the term length for the President of India? I repeat my question. What is the term length for the President of India? Right answer is 5 years. My question number 4. Who was the first woman Chief Minister of India? I repeat my question. Who was the first woman Chief Minister of India? Right answer is Sweta Karplani. My question number 5. What was the date of the Shimla agreement between India and Pakistan? I repeat my question. What was the date of the Shimla agreement between India and Pakistan? Right answer is 2 July 1972. Thank you and have a nice day. In our world, some incidents happen to amaze us. Now amaze us by telling some amazing facts. Here is Kavyans. From class 4th, today I am present here for some fact. Fact number 1. India is the 7th largest population country in the world. Number 2. The first rocket in India was a transport on a bicycle. Number 3. Chess was invented in India. Number 4. The popular game in snakes and ladder originated in India. Number 5. Chai tea is the national drink of India. Thank you. For speech, here is Arsian.
Love you. I am Archana from class 4. Today I present here for speech. Wisdom. Wisdom is the ability to make sound judgments and decisions based in experience, knowledge, and understanding. It is often associated with age and experience, but it can also be developed through learning. It is an important quality to cultivate in both personal and professional life, as it can lead to more successful outcome and great fulfillment. Wisdom is not something that can be easily attained, but is a worthwhile pursuit that can bring many benefits. Thank you and have a nice day.
His movies are well wishing. His sayings are always springing and thought provoking, to inspire us and teach us to move forward with self-confidence. I heartily invite to our director, sir. He is going to give some valuable message for us.
Very good morning to all. Good morning, sir. Thank you, Netik Beta and the class 4th boys for inviting me over the podium and on a very important theme. Today, class 4th boys have conducted a beautiful assembly. So big round of applause for the class 4th boys. So students have awared us about wisdom. What does the wisdom actually mean here? By thought, by Hindi thought, by facts, and that has been articulated in a really eloquent manner, the way they have put forward this particular theme. So we try to understand what does this particularly theme wisdom means here. अगर हम wisdom को हिंदी में बोलें तो हम बोल सकते हैं कि बुद्धिमत्ता, और जब हम पढ़ाई करते हैं, when we do study, so we do acquire the knowledge, we do talk about the intelligence, and when we are continuously working on our knowledge, we are continuously working on our intelligence, that led to the wisdom, and wisdom also do comes by the experience. कहने का तात्पर्य यह है कि जब आप बहुत ध्यान मगन होकर पढ़ाई करेंगे, चीज़ों को समझने की कोशिश करेंगे, तो आपको काफ़ी लंबे अंतराल के बाद बुद्धिमत्ता की प्राप्ति होगी, ज्ञान की प्राप्ति होगी, जिसको हम विजडम बोलते हैं. आपने बहुत बार देखा होगा, इन आवर फैमिली, इन आवर एनवायरनमेंट, इन आवर सराउंडिंग्स, आवर एल्डर्स ऑलवेज गिव्स अस लॉट ऑफ एडवाइस एंड द सजेशंस, और it do happen at times that we do ignore their experience, we do ignore their advice, that we will see. We are the young blood, we know about everything. But when any particular thing happens, फिर आपको अपने पिताजी के, अपने माताजी के, अपने दादा के, दादी के वो शब्द याद आते हैं जिसके बारे में उन्होंने आपको पहले ही बता दिया था क्या होने वाला है. जो वो बोल रहे हैं, जो आपको सजेशंस दी जा रहे हैं, that is all because of their wisdom, because of their experience. And it do comes with the practice. When we are keep on learning, we are learning about new things, we are understanding, we are analyzing, and it gives us a path which is known as wisdom. और यहाँ पर सभी फैकल्टी मेंबर्स चाहेंगे कि हमें भी विजडम की प्राप्ति हो. हम निरंतर अपने प्रयासों से अपनी नॉलेज को बढ़ाते रहें, उस पर काम करते रहें, and we also become more like an intellectual person so that we can able to take the proper decision making. When we do have the kind of responsibilities, we always stop and pause and try to take a decision which is good for everyone. अभी आपको एक हमारे भारत सरकार ने एक थीम भी चलाई है कि आपने सुना होगा कि काफ़ी सारा आजकल ऑनलाइन फ्रॉड होता है, डिजिटली फ्रॉड होता है, कि अगर आपसे कोई भी नंबर मांगता है, OTP मांगता है, तो आपको तुरंत नहीं देना है, आपको थोड़ा सा रुकना है, पॉज करना है. जब आप रुकेंगे, पॉज करेंगे, तो आप सोचेंगे. जब आप सोचेंगे तो वो आपके लिए बेहतर होगा, और जब आपके लिए बेहतर होगा तो आप फ्रॉड से बच जाएंगे. तो कल हमारी जो असेंबली की थीम थी वो पेशेंस था, और बहुत ही अच्छी थीम है. आज भी उसी बात को आगे बढ़ाते हैं, पेशेंस को लेकर, कि हम विजडम की बात कर रहे हैं. तो यहाँ पर हमें पेशेंस दिखाएंगे. वी विल बी गोइंग टूवर्ड्स द विजडम. Now let's talk about a very important assembly, and why I have to mention the names here, because very interesting names are here. So first I will talk about Priyal, Priyal, his sister. Yesterday she was in the assembly. आज पीयूष हमारे सामने है. पीयूष बेटा प्लीज रेज योर हैंड. तो पीयूष बहुत ही अच्छा बच्चा है, थोड़ा सेंसिटिव भी है. अगर इनसे पूछ लिया बेटा कल क्यों नहीं आए थे स्कूल, या आप कैसे हो, तो ये रोने लगते हैं इसी बात पे. एंड इट वाज गुड टू सी द वे ही केम ऑन द स्टेज, एंड टुडे अ ब्यूटीफुल थॉट ही हैज स्पोकन हियर ऑन द पोडियम. सो बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर पीयूष टू कम ऑन द स्टेज. अभी आपको लग रहा होगा कि जब पीयूष से हम कुछ भी पूछते हैं तो पीयूष के आंसू आ जाते हैं, घर पे भी ऐसा ही करता है। लेकिन जब हम भी अपने समय में स्टूडेंट थे तो हमसे भी कोई टीचर पूछता था कि कहाँ जा रहे हो, तो उससे पहले ही आंसू आ जाते थे कि क्या बताएं, किस तरीके से बताएं। तो सबसे अच्छा आपका वेपन और हथियार आंसू ही है कि बहुत सारी चीज़ों से बचा।
Of your nation, pride and respect. I request to Lakshya to give commands and start the national anthem. Studies, attention. Studies, attention. Get ready for national anthem. National anthem start.